Hi, what's up to my beautiful Kazakhstan family? So today we're gonna react to a performance done by Dimash. Well, this performance is held in China, right? And it's a concert. So this concert is called 2025 New Year Concert of Sichuan. This is called The Crown by Dimash. So without further ado, let's hear what Dimash have to say in this track. Peace. This stage look beautiful though. Beautiful staging. The king walk out. The king walks out. Wow, I really like this song. I really like Dimash's embellishment in this song. Very nice one, bro. Very nice song. Very nice song choice as well. Let's continue. Simply the world's best. Is unmatched. Is unmatched. There's no one I can talk from off my mind right now who can come up against Dimash's talent. Very talented man, bro. Very good. Oh, damn. Damn. Yo, this man is like an angel on earth, right? The way how this man projects his voice, the way how he sings, it literally not from earth. This voice is very heavenly, right? It's like an angelic voice displayed unto us today. Unmatched. Dimash is simply the best in this entire world. The best on the planet. Incomparable. So, if you guys enjoy this reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.